Are you eagerly awaiting your 2025 tax refund and wondering, where's my refund? You're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the IRS tax refund process, show you how to check your refund status, and provide tips to ensure a smooth experience. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 IRS tax refund process to help you understand when you can expect your refund and how to track it. The IRS began accepting tax returns for the 2025 tax season on January 27, 2025. If you filed electronically and opted for direct deposit, you can typically expect your refund within 21 days. However, if you filed a paper return, processing times may be longer. How to check your refund status. To check the status of your refund, the IRS offers a convenient tool called Where's My Refund, available on their website. You'll need your Social Security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount to access your information. Updates are available within 24 hours after e-filing, or about 4 weeks after mailing a paper return. Common reasons for refund delays. Several factors can cause delays in receiving your refund. Errors on your tax return, incomplete information, additional review required by the IRS claims involving the Earned Income Tax Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit, which cannot be issued before mid-February, with many expected by March 3rd. Tips to ensure a smooth refund process. To help expedite your refund, double-check your return for accuracy before filing. File electronically and choose direct deposit for faster processing. Respond promptly to any IRS requests for additional information. We hope this guide has provided clarity on the 2025 IRS tax refund process and how to track your refund status. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tax-related updates. Thank you for watching.